Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English. Thank for watching video.
Talking to a new friends. Dialogue 1. Hi.
Hello.
May I sit here?
Sure, you may.
Are you here alone?
Yeah, I'm just relaxing.
Do you know where the coffee shop is?
Yes, just go straight and turn left.
Thank you. Are you from this city?
No, I'm from Chicago.
Oh, that's nice. I'm also from Chicago.
That's good. Are you here for sightseeing?
Yeah, and you?
I work here in an office.
Which office?
Best English Online.
How long have you been working there?
I've been working for 2 years.
Are you living on rent or do you own a house?
I live on rent.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where are your parents?
They are in Chicago.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister and one brother.
What do they do?
My sister is pursuing her degree, and my brother works with me.
Are they older than you?
My brother is older than me, and my sister is younger.
When do you visit your hometown?
I go during festivals and summer holidays.
Would you like to have coffee with me now?
Sure, I was thinking about it.
Let's go to the coffee shop.
Okay, let's go.
Where's the nearest coffee shop?
It's at that corner on the left.
Talking to a new friends. Dialogue 2. Hi.
Hello.
Is this seat taken?
No, please have a seat.
Thank you. Are you waiting for someone?
No, I'm just enjoying the park.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, when I get time.
It's my first time here. I just moved to this area.
Oh, welcome. Where did you move from?
I came from New York.
Wow, that's a big city. Do you like it here so far?
Yes, it's peaceful compared to New York.
Are you working here now?
Yes, I joined a marketing firm last week.
That's great. How do you find the work?
So far, so good. Team is friendly.
Are you living nearby?
Yes, I found a small apartment just 10 minutes away.
On rent or your own?
On rent for now.
Do you live alone?
Yeah, I do. What about you?
I live with my cousin.
Do you guys work together?
No, she's studying in college.
Oh, that's nice. What does she study?
She's doing fashion design.
That's interesting. Would you like to grab a juice or coffee?
Sure, I'd love that.
There's a juice bar across the street. Shall we go?
Yes, let's go.
Talking to a new friends. Dialogue 3. Hi.
Hello.
Is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit.
Thanks. Are you studying something?
Yeah, I'm preparing for an exam.
Oh, which one?
Yelts.
Nice, I gave it last year.
Really? How was your experience?
Pretty good. I got an overall 7.5 band.
That's great. Any tips?
Just practice reading and speaking regularly. And watch English shows.
Thanks, that helps. Are you a student?
No, I'm working now.
Where do you work?
At a travel agency nearby.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love talking to people and planning trips.
Sounds fun. I've never traveled much.
You should. Where would you go if you had the chance?
Maybe Paris.
Perfect choice. I can suggest some great places there.
Thanks. Are you from this city?
No, I moved here 2 years ago. You?
I've been living here since childhood.
Do you like it here?
Yeah, it's a quiet and nice place.
Want to take a break and grab coffee?
Sure, I could use a break.
There's a cafe right next to the library.
Let's go.
Talking to a new friends. Dialogue 4. Hi.
Hello.
Are you waiting for the 45 number bus too?
Yes, it's running a bit late today.
Yeah, I've been waiting for 10 minutes.
Same here. Do you take this route every day?
Yes, I go to my college through this bus. You?
I take it to get to my office.
Oh, where do you work?
At a software company near Central Plaza.
That's cool. I'm studying computer science, actually.
Nice. Then maybe one day we'll be colleagues.
Haha, maybe. How long have you been working there?
Almost 3 years now.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, especially the flexible hours.
Sounds great. Are you from this city?
No, I moved here from Pune. You?
I was born and raised here.
Do you like this city?
Yes, though traffic is a big problem.
Totally agree. That's why I take the bus instead of driving.
Smart move.
By the way, do you usually get off at City Mall stop?
Yes, that's close to my college.
Cool. We might end up seeing each other often.
Looks like the bus is finally coming.
Yeah, let's hop in.
Talking to a new friends. Dialogue 5. Hi there.
Hey, good morning.
Mind if I join you? The other tables are full.
Sure, go ahead.
Thanks. I love the vibe of this place.
Yeah, it's cozy. I come here often to read or work.
Nice. What are you reading today?
It's a mystery novel. Keeps me hooked.
I'm more into self-help books, actually.
That's cool. Got any recommendations?
Yeah, Atomic Habits is a great one. Ever read it?
Heard of it, but haven't picked it up yet.
You should. It's really practical and easy to follow.
Thanks, I'll check it out. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 blocks away. You?
Same. We might be neighbors.
Small world, huh? Do you work or study?
I'm working as a freelance graphic designer.
That's creative. Do you work from home?
Mostly, but sometimes I come here to change the environment.
Same here, I'm a writer. Coffee shops give me better focus.
Totally. Want to grab another coffee together?
Sure, I was just thinking the same.
Great. Let's order. My treat.
Thanks, I'll get the next round. Talking to a new friends. Dialogue 6. Hi, is this seat taken?
Nope, go ahead.
Thanks. Long flight ahead?
Yeah, I'm flying to London.
Same. Flight BA 142?
You? Yes. What a coincidence.
I know, small world. Are you traveling for work or vacation?
Work, actually. I have a conference there.
Vacation. First time visiting Europe.
You? That's exciting. Got your itinerary planned?
Kind of, hoping to explore a bit spontaneously too.
London is amazing. Try the local markets and museums.
I will. Do you travel often?
Fairly often. My job requires it.
What do you do?
I work in international marketing.
Nice. I'm a photographer, so hoping to get some good shots there.
You'll love it. So many great spots. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, solo this time.
Same here. Sometimes solo trips are the best.
Agreed. Gives you a different kind of freedom.
Totally. By the way, do you know how long the boarding process takes here?
Usually they announce about 45 minutes before. We still have time.
Cool. Want to grab a coffee from the lounge bar?
Sure, let's go. Always up for coffee before a flight. Meeting new friends aging. Hey, wait, aren't you the one from the airport lounge?
Oh wow, yes. You're the photographer heading to London, right?
That's me. I didn't expect to bump into you here.
Same. What are the odds? How was your trip?
Amazing. London was everything I hoped for, so much to capture.
That's great to hear. Did you visit any of the museums?
Yeah, the Tate Modern was my favorite. Thanks for the recommendation.
Glad you liked it. How's it been since you came back?
Pretty good, actually working on a photo series based on the trip.
That sounds interesting. I'd love to see it sometime.
Sure. And how was your conference?
Productive, as always. A bit hectic, but I managed to squeeze in some sightseeing too.
Nice. Looks like we both got the best of both worlds.
Definitely. So, what brings you to the bookstore today?
Looking for a travel journal, actually. Thinking of planning my next solo trip.
Already? That's the spirit. Any place in mind?
Thinking of Japan. You?
Well, I have a business trip to Singapore next month.
Wow. You really do travel a lot.
Perks of the job. Hey, would you like to grab coffee again? For old time's sake?
Sure, I'd like that. There's a nice cafe just next door.
Let's go. Maybe you can tell me more about that Japan plan.
Arriving guest at home. Hello.
Hi. Welcome. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
It's so nice to finally be here.
I'm happy you could come. I've been looking forward to it.
Me too. Your house is beautiful.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. It's small, but I feel comfortable here.
Perfect. Where can I put my bag?
You can put it by the door or on the chair over there.
Okay, I'll leave it by the door.
Sounds good. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
I have water, juice, tea, and coffee.
I'll have some tea, please.
Sure. I'll make it for you.
Thank you. Do you have a garden?
Yes, I do. It's small, but I enjoy spending time there. Would you like to see it?
Oh, yes. I love gardens.
Let me show you. Follow me.
Wow, it's so peaceful here.
I know, right? I enjoy the fresh air and the flowers.
It's beautiful. What kind of flowers are these?
These are roses, and those are tulips. Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love them. They make everything look so colorful.
I agree. I also have some vegetables in the garden, like tomatoes and peppers.
That's great. Fresh vegetables are the best.
I'll give you some if you want.
Really? That would be amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll get them for you later.
You're so kind. I really appreciate it.
It's no problem at all. It's nice to share with friends.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too. Let's go back inside. The tea is ready.
Thank you for the tea. Smells wonderful.
I hope you like it. I made it with honey and lemon.
Sounds perfect.
Please sit down. Make yourself comfortable.
I will, thank you.
Is there anything else you'd like?
Not right now, just the tea is enough.
Okay. Let's relax and enjoy the tea together.
Sounds great. Arriving guest at home. Hi.
Hello. Welcome. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks for asking.
It's so nice to be here.
I'm glad you could come. I've been looking forward to seeing you.
Me too. Your apartment is lovely.
Thank you. It's not big, but it's cozy and I like it here.
It's perfect. Where can I put my coat?
You can hang it on the coat rack by the door.
Okay, I'll do that.
Would you like something to eat or drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
I have some juice, coffee, or tea.
I'll have coffee, please.
Sure, I'll make it for you.
Thanks. Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I read books whenever I have time. How about you?
I enjoy reading too, especially stories.
That's great. I have some books here if you want to take a look.
I would love to.
Let me show you.
Wow, you have a lot of books.
Yes, I love reading different kinds of books. Do you have a favorite?
I like mystery stories the most.
That's interesting. I have a few mystery books. I can lend you one if you like.
That would be amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll find one for you.
I really appreciate it.
No problem. I'm happy to share.
This has been so nice.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Let's have our coffee now.
Yes, I'm excited.
Here's your coffee. I hope you like it.
Smells great, thank you.
Enjoy.
I will, thanks again.
You're welcome. Let's relax and enjoy our drinks.
Sounds perfect. Arriving guest at home. Good evening.
Hi. Welcome. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking.
So nice to finally be here.
I'm happy you could come. I've been looking forward to it.
Me too. Your home looks amazing.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. It's small, but it feels like home.
It's beautiful. Where can I put my shoes?
You can leave them by the door or in the shoe rack.
Okay, I'll put them by the door.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
I have water, lemonade, and coffee.
I'll have lemonade, please.
Sure, I'll get it for you.
Thanks. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Bella. Do you like cats?
I love cats. Can I see her?
Of course. Bella is probably resting on the couch.
Oh, she's so cute.
Yes, she's very sweet. She likes to nap a lot.
I can tell. She looks very comfortable.
She is. Let's sit down. I'll bring the lemonade.
Sounds good.
Here's your lemonade. I hope you like it.
It's delicious, thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
Your home feels so cozy. I really like it here.
I'm happy you feel that way. I enjoy having guests over.
I'm glad I came. Thank you for inviting me.
It's my pleasure. We can relax and enjoy our drinks together.
That sounds perfect.